Hey, it's Mike here and welcome to Twitter. I'm going to give you a brief rundown of how I've made beyond $250,000 in just 1 year from this social media platform and selling my services on it, and how you can do the exact same too. I'll teach you a step-by-step, quick but in-depth basis of all of this. Okay, so to begin with, your profile, right? You need an optimized profile and you need to pick a skill to sell. Okay, so for me, the easiest skill was landing pages, and that's the easiest skill for a lot of my students as well, and how a lot of them succeed. There's people doing 25k a month, which is absurd, selling landing pages. It's essentially a one-page website. It's quite easy to do. This AI and everything can do most of the hard work. It takes a couple of days to build one. You can charge up to, I've students charging like $4,000 or $5,000 for just one page. It's insane, right? So anyway, with Twitter, clean profile picture. Generally use a background like this and take the picture. Just get your phone out, take that picture like so, and put that as your profile picture. Your banner up here, little hack, you can use canva.com and type in Twitter header or Twitter banner. I think it's Twitter banner, and it'll give you templates for it. A lot of free ones there. Basically, say what you sell. Let me give you a good example of a student of mine, Osh. He sells CRO, conversion rate optimization, and landing pages for Shopify brands. Okay, he's doing over 25k a month at the moment. Absolutely killing it. Started with 5 followers, now has over 16,000 followers in 1 year of working with me. Insane. He went from a bartender as well to this micro influencer, essentially, and this micro authority. So from there, then you have a bio essentially stating what you sell and the guarantee or whatever that may be. Maybe it's social proof as well, as Osh has here, 50 plus DTC brands and trusted by that many people. Okay. For me, I could have here 100 successful students, something like that, right? That's an idea. You can have your landing page then in the link here. So Osh has it, and I have it here. Okay, works perfectly. From there, you need a pinned thread. This pinned thread should be social proof or else competence. It showcases that you can do the job. Okay, so for example, here I have social proof how I'm a student of mine and made 15.6k and grew to 5,000 followers in just 60 days. So endless results like this. It's insane, to be honest. I need to update this and put a new one in. But yeah, it's insane. Okay, from there then, to give you another example, Osh, he's showcasing what he's capable of doing with a client, right? The redesigns that he can do for their landing pages and the capabilities and opportunities that can bring for people. Okay, so from there then you want daily content, you want written content, like so. It can be tips and tricks, it can be opinions, different things like that. Try and do 2 of these a day minimum, maybe even 3. Okay, you can add in threads, which are detailed guides on specific topics. Okay, so I can talk about newsletters here, for example. I can talk about landing pages. I can talk about copywriting. You can do the exact same. There's a lot of different elements. Maybe I can pick call to action buttons for landing pages, and I can write a thread on that. Use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your friend. Okay, take advantage of it. Then you can have some images in here, like for me, example, 5 years apart. Takes time and hard work, but damn, it's worth it. 2 years of freelancing. Actually, a little under 2 years, to be honest. Changed my life trajectory forever. And you can do the exact same, literally. Okay, so that's great examples. You're plugging your services then here. Let me show you Osh, for example. So he's plenty of images, and he's images of himself here, and then he'll plug his services. I think I went past it. Oh yeah, Calendly here, so people can book a call here. Okay, and he'll promote this every now and then, and people can book calls, right? So again, more pictures of himself. He's just living the dream at the moment, and again, plugging himself here. So this is all what you need to do. You need to post daily. You need to do this for a minimum of like 3 months, and you will get paid clients then after that. To be honest, if you use the formulas that I have and so on, you can get paid clients in literally a number of months. It's really possible, and you can change your whole life trajectory, as I did myself and many of my students have done. So if you are interested in, speaking of that, if you are interested in my program, the best place for you to start is the link below. Okay, check that out, see how you get on with that, implement the steps, and go from there. Right, and if you like this video, subscribe for more. Please like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching.